Dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have explained Chapter 8 Financial Statement Analysis, Book Back Exercise Sums 6 to 11 and a common size statement. Don't skip the video, watch fully to understand the preparation of common size statements. First, we'll see common size statements. It shows the relationship of various items with some common base. The common bases are for income statement, revenue from operation is the common base. For balance sheet, we take total of assets or total of equity and liabilities as common base. So each item will be expressed as percentage of the common base. For example, in income statement, other income will be expressed as percentage of revenue from operations. Like that, each item will be expressed as the percentage of the common base. In the common size income statement, the revenue from operation we take it as a common base, so that we have to keep it as 100, and various expenses and incomes are expressed as the percentage to the revenue from operation. But in comparative statement, we take 2 years values and then we compare and we express as percentage based on the previous year amount. But here we take common base and then all the items will be expressed as percentage of the common base. So for income statement, revenue from operation is the common base. So all items will be expressed in as a percentage of the revenue from operation. In common size balance sheet, the total of balance sheet, that is the total of assets or total of equities and liabilities, is taken as 100, and various items in the assets and liabilities are expressed as the percentage of total of assets or total of equities and liabilities. Next is preparation of common size statement. This is also one of the short answer questions, so you must learn this answer. See here, there are 3 columns for common size statement. So there are 3 steps. First one is in column 1, we enter the particulars of items of income statement or balance sheet, and in column 2 you have to enter the amount, absolute amount, and in column 3 we have to choose the common base. For income statement, revenue from operation is the common base, so that you have to keep it as 100, and for balance sheet, total assets or total equities and liabilities will be the common base, and you have to keep it as 100, and the remaining items will be expressed as percentage of the common base. So here you can see the format of common size statement: particulars, absolute amount, percentage. So here there is no comparison, directly we find the percentage. Now we'll see the sum, book back sum, 6th sum. Prepare common size statement for the following particulars of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017. Here this is an income statement, so you have to add the incomes and subtract the expenses and income tax. If income tax is given, I'll show the answer. Now see, you have to write the title: common size income statement of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017. So here we have 3 columns. First column, you have to write the particulars of items given in the income statement. First we are going to write the revenue from operation, write the value in the absolute amount in the second column, and add other income, add both the values, and then you will get total revenue, and then less expenses, and then this will give you the profit before tax. And now after doing this calculation, now come to the third column, you write it as percentage of revenue from operations. So here we are keeping common base as revenue from operation as a common base, so you put 100 for that. And now the calculation I have shown here. So first item, you no need of showing any calculation. We'll directly do the second one. Other income, percentage for other income, 67,500 divided by 4,50,000 into 100. When you simplify this, you will get 15%. So here in this common size statement, it will be easy. You can add these two. So that will be the percentage for the total revenue, and I have done calculations also. So for the students who are very poor in calculations, you can follow this, adding this 115. And next, for expenses, you have to find the percentage as 1,35,000 into 4,50,000. For each item, you have to take this revenue from operation as a common base, and into 100 you have to do. So 30%. So when you subtract these two, you will get 85. You can even do the calculations, or you can do like this. I have done the calculation here also. Now second sum, two values, two companies values are there, Maria Limited and Kala Limited, and you should not confuse, you cannot compare here. Okay, so Maria Limited, you have to write the absolute amount and then percentage of revenue from operation. And for Kala Limited, see like this. For Maria Limited, you have to put 2 columns, and for Kala Limited 2 columns separately. Okay, so now you enter the particulars of items. Revenue from operation 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. First you enter the values and then you can find the percentage. Next, add other income 10,000, here 30,000, and add these two, 1 lakh 10, 2 lakh 30, and less expenses 70,000, 1 lakh 20. So when you subtract, this will give you profit before tax. Now you find the percentage. First, revenue from operation, you keep it as 100, and then each value you compare with the common base revenue from operation. See here, 10,000 by 1 lakh into 100 is equal to 10%. These two values you can add and put the third one. And now 70,000 by 1 lakh into 100, 70%. So when you subtract, you will get 40. So like this, Kala Limited also 2 lakhs, 100, 30,000 by 2 lakh into 100. When you simplify, 15. So when you add these two, 1 lakh 15. And then for expenses, 1 lakh 20 divided by 2 lakhs into 100, 60%. So when you subtract, you will get the answer like this. And now 8th sum, we have income tax also. Prepare common size income statement for the following particulars of SAM Limited. For 2 years they have given. So for 2 years you have to find separately. For 2015-16 absolute amount, percentage. For 2016 and 17 absolute amount and percentage. Now you enter the particulars of items. Revenue from operations 4 lakhs, and for this year 5 lakh. Add other income 80,000, 50,000, and total. And first you record all the values, then later you can find the percentage. Now total revenue and less expenses and profit before tax. When you less these two values, you will get profit before tax. In this value, you have to find the income tax of 30%. See, I have given you the 30%, 2,40,000 into 30 by 100, you will get the answer 72,000. Okay, and then you have to subtract these two, so that will be profit after tax. And here also for 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs into 30 by 100, when you simplify, 90,000 you will get. You have to subtract, so that will give you profit after tax. Now you have to find the percentage of each item. So 4 lakh, you keep it as common base, so 100. So here 80,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100 is 20. So when you add these two, you will get 120. So here 2,40,000 divided by 4 lakhs. Each item you should express as the revenue from operation. So 4 lakhs for each item you have to put denominator as 4 lakhs here in this 100. So you will get 60, and 120 minus 60 is 60. For 72,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100 is, when you simplify 18, when you subtract is to 42. So same way here also you have to do for each item. Now ninth sum, it is prepare common size balance sheet. This is balance sheet. Now we did the income statement. Now this is balance sheet. Balance sheet, you have to just whatever is given in the question, same you have to write it in the as a solution, first two columns. See, same how the format is given, same you have to copy and write all these values. See how it is given in the question, same way you should write. And only thing is here we are going to take a common base as total assets. So percentage of total assets you write, and both the total you make it as 100, and then now 2 lakhs divided by 4 lakhs. Okay, percentage of shareholders fund you have to write 2 lakhs divided by 4 lakhs, that is 50 when you simplify. You don't consider this one, this is not this is for comparative. By mistake it is given here. Now 1,60,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100, 40%. Now 40,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 100, that is 10%. When you add all these things, it should come to 100. And now non-current assets, 3 lakhs divided by you have to write 3 lakhs divided by 4 lakhs, that is 75%, and then 1 lakh divided by 4 lakhs will give you 25%. See, it is given here, non-current assets. And next sum is 10th sum, 2 years values given. So separate you have to do. See, for year 2015 and 16, absolute amount percentage. For 16 and 17, absolute amount percentage. So now copy the sum like this, the values also. Here you have to put the total, both the total as 100, and write it here, percentage of total assets. Now 5,40,000 divided by 9 lakhs into 100 will give you 60. 2,70,000 divided by 9 lakhs into 100 will give you 30. 90,000 divided by 9 lakh, that will give you 10. So when you add these two, it should come 100. Like that, 7,20,000 divided by 9 lakhs, 80%. 1,80,000 divided by 9 lakh, 20%. So like this, 6 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs you have to find each item. Now this is the last sum. Prepare the common size statement of financial position of Yasmin and Shakti Limited. See here, for Yasmin you have to write absolute amount, percentage of total assets, and here Shakti Limited, and copy the sum, these two columns, whatever is given in the sum question you have to copy, and then now here you have to find the percentage. First you keep both the total as 100, and 2 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs gives you 40. 50,000 divided by 5 lakhs will give you into 100 for everything, because percentage, no, and then that will give you 10. 1,50,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100 will give you 30. 1 lakh divided by 5 lakhs into 100 will give you 20. So if you add all this, you will get 100. Same way, 2 lakh divided by 5 lakhs, and here 3 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs. That is, you have to keep the total as base, and then each item you have to express as the common base or total assets here. Students, I hope this video will be useful to you. If it is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.